We are looking at a monumental mid-19th century book published by the United States government in Washington. It is the statistics, or more specifically, it is an overview of all of the production in the United States for industry and mining, agriculture, commerce, and manufacturing. It's all information that was gathered as part of the 6th census. Every state and territory in the United States at this time is listed by county in here, and across the top are the categories, and it's astonishing really the level of detail we see, because there are mines such as iron, lead, gold, coal, and so on. There's agriculture, cereal products, livestock, there's horticulture, there's commerce, there's fisheries, forestry, manufacturing. And the thing about manufacturing that's so interesting is these tables, as they span the double pages here, break down. Categories include silk, tobacco, hats, leather, soap, powder mills, drugs, glass. What does it say? It says sugar refineries, paper, printing and binding, cordage, mills, furniture, houses. It's all broken down, details of the value of that production by state and county in all those categories. It's a monumental work, apparently quite scarce. It's been rebound late in the 20th century. I'll show you the binding in a minute. It's complete. At the very rear, there are the final two leaves here showed some damage at the upper corner. They were repaired long ago, like so. This one is darkened. This one has old tape repairs like this. It's quite well stained, but the work is complete, and it is bound in this monumental plain buckram binding, like so. The book weighs probably 20 pounds. It's very large and heavy, and it's available now online from me, Brian DeMambra.